So let's go ahead and play with sweep. So the first thing we'll realize is we can go ahead and create any object at all. I'm going to go ahead and just use a basic circle or square, whatever you want. We'll start with a basic circle. So that's the shape I want my sweep to take. And let's say I'm going to go ahead here. And I want to draw what the shape is going to be looking like. So let's say I'm going to sweep anything at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sweep my name, for instance. So I'm going to go ahead and go here and click anywhere. It's good to start in the center, and I like to start in Y and Z just 0, 0, 0, just in case, but you don't have to. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw my name, for example. Let's say my signature. Craziest signature ever. Gonna make it more loopy.
Is that really your signature?
Yes, you guys can check it. Not really. Okay, so anything you choose. Let's say you're doing the neon look. Okay, enter. Now that's kind of done. Looks really messy. However, now what I could do, I'm going to go ahead and scale it a little bit bigger, so it's bigger than, whoops, undo, enter, select my spline, go ahead and make sure you're in object mode. I'm going to go ahead and scale it. So now it's really big, so the circle is kind of small, or I can scale down the circle, it doesn't really matter. So now all I have to do is go ahead and bring my sweep tool. There's my sweep. What first we attach is the circle. We want to tell it what shape we want. So that's the shape that it's going to go ahead and know. Then we give it the path. Undo. And didn't like that. So we're going to go ahead and do it this way and then that way. There we go. So now you can see that it actually created my name right there. So all you have to do is you can take the circle and you could go ahead and scale it down. And I've used these for commercials and things where you can actually make it write out your name and actually move it with end sweep, which we'll talk about later on. But you can see how that turns it into an actual object. All right. So let's go ahead and do something more practical.